So today I will be hosting this workshop call. If any participant is having any questions, please raise your hand. I will allow you the mic, and then from there we will take up your questions, please. Amal Salman, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Amal Salman, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Amal, I don't hear you. You need to adjust your mic or speaker and then ask your question, please. Meanwhile, let's move on to the next caller. Hassan Salim, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. The question is regarding unregistered products.
Okay.
The vendor is in UK. They have the GTINs of the product, fine,
Mm, mm,
but we have shipping permits for those products. But
mm,
we do not know. We have our GLN as well, so we do not know what is the next process for
mm,
these items to be, onboarded on Tatmeen and
mm,
how the labeling process would go. If
mhm.
you could know.
Okay, so you have the unregistered GTIN products, and do you have the GLN with you or not?
Yeah, we have our GLN as
Okay, so for even for the unregistered products, you follow the same process as registered products. You can start commissioning of these items on Tatmeen, and then the similar process of the registered products, whatever you are following, right? The same thing is applicable here.
Before that, we haven't commissioned uh, the primary products, GTIM products. We have only commissioned SSECs for the larger
Mm,
carters. This is the first time we are trying to commission
okay.
the products themselves.
Okay. So you want to know how to do the commissioning process, correct?
Yes, yes. Also, I mean, if we have GTINs, we need to upgrade our GLN to GCP, and then we start. I mean, then we can start commissioning. Just as a background of commissioning, right?
Okay. Okay. So you see, on Tatmeen platform, you can perform commissioning process on three. There are three different options are available. So option one is through the mobile commissioning. So mobile commissioning that is through Tatmeen portal. If the volume of the items is less, say maximum of 100 items you want to commission, you can proceed to the mobile commissioning process. Okay, and then the second option is through CSV file upload, which is again through Tatmeen portal. This is through the Excel file process, which is again considered as a manual process. So in this CSV file upload, where you can commission maximum of 50,000 items. Okay,
Hmm.
and anything beyond 50,000 items, system won't accept. So if the volume is maximum 50,000 items, then the option is you can perform commissioning through the CSV file upload process. And then the third option is the technical APIs. So this is through a commission. There is a commissioning API. If you have the technical expertise, the technical teams are available, then you can perform the commissioning process through the commissioning APIs, which is available on the Postman collection. So these three are the three different the three different options for performing commissioning process on Tatmeen. So depending upon the volume and then depending upon your expertise, you can choose the process and then perform the commissioning. And the details about this is also available on tatmeen.ae website. Okay, so you can refer training manuals for file upload and then technical guides for manufacturers. So this
O-
documentation will help you the commissioning process of the thing.
Okay, just again, the GTINs were issued by GS1 in UK. Those
Hmm.
GTIN can be used to commission on Tatmeen. That is not an issue, right?
You cannot use uh, the GLN which is issued in UK or any other country.
Hmm.
So the GLN should be issued by the GS1 UAE. Only those GLNs you can use.
So these products has to be issued new GTINs in UAE.
Yes, GLN and GTIN should be
Yeah, yeah.
registered
Oh,
in
okay,
UAE GS1.
in
Okay.
UAE. Okay, okay. So that is where we have to go to Brandsing GS1. They have to do the process of issuing GTINs. Then we can move on to commissioning part, right?
Yes. Their email ID is tatmeen at gs1ae.org. So this is the email ID of the branching team UAE. They can help you out with the registration of GLN or GTIN within UAE.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Amal Salman, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
Amal Salman from Saqar Hospital Pharmacy in Iraq.
Okay.
Actually, we want to create account for Saqar Pharmacy Hospital for
Mm-hmm.
Tatmeen.
Mm-hmm.
So, just I want how we do this step or where we register, or we will register only for yani for all the stuff or only the manager of the pharmacy who will can make the, to create that account.
Okay.
Maybe
So.
personal account. It will be personal account, yani, or
hmm. Okay, so since you seems to be very new into the Tatmeen, so for successful completion of Tatmeen registration, there are two steps. Step number one is you need to acquire global location number from GS1 team or branching team, and you need to drop an email to Tatmeen at gs1ae.org for acquiring the global location number for your warehouse or for your medical center, clinic, whatever it may be. Once the global location number is acquired from GS1 or Brandstream UAE successfully, so that email ID will reflect on Tatmeen system. So the Tatmeen team, our team would need that GLN details from your side. So that would help us to release the invitation link for the user. So using the invitation link, the user can complete the Tatmeen registration. So these are the two steps which are prerequisite for completion of the Tatmeen registration. Okay,
uh, okay. First,
and
yani, we should
yes,
send mail.
sorry.
We should send mail.
Yeah,
Then
so step number one, you can write an email, you can make a note of the email address, tatmeen at gs1ae.org. So this is a GS1 UAE team. They can help you in acquiring the global location number.
okay,
Okay. And once you get the global location number, you can drop your GLN PDF copy to onboarding at tatmeen.ae. So this is the onboarding at tatmeen.ae. We are handling it, and anyone from the team will help you in releasing the invitation link. Using the invitation link, that user can complete the Tatmeen registration.
okay.
And email ID can be any of your personal email ID or any of your company email ID. It's your choice. It's depending upon your business requirement. We will not ask the user to use a specific email. We just need an email ID. That's it.
For this registration, no need for all the stuff to have to register, yani.
See, once you get the GLN right, so that user can be considered as a SPOC. single point
Oh,
of contact. So it's like he is like a main administrator of that particular GLN of that location. And Spock can create different users, portal mobile user, technical
mm,
B2B user, support user. So these are the different users available on Tatmin. So based on your business requirement and how to use Tatmin, you can create users. So in order to get the GLN and Spock user created, you need to follow the two steps which I informed you earlier.
okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay. And if you have more any more questions about this, you can refer Tatmeen.ae website where you can see the manuals related to this. That will help you out on this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so
Ah,
much. Kamran Mirza, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Kamran Mirza, I have allowed you the mic. You need to unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir. My name is Glimson. I'm representing MedCity Medical Center, Ras Al Khaimah. I have already got the GLN number and completed the staging and uh, live account creation. So I have
Okay.
created the live account now. So now I need to upload my documents or my records to the Tatmin portal, live portal, right?
See, are you using Tatmeen for the first time?
First time, yes, yes. I want to upload the data now. I have completed the live registration now in the Tatmin.
Okay,
So
so what
I
is
got
your role
username.
in Tatmeen? Are you a manufacturer or are you a
No, no,
distributor or what?
no. Service provider, medical center in Ras Al Khaimah.
Okay, see, okay. The thing is, those who are a manufacturer or a licensed agent, they can perform commissioning, packing, and shipping process in Tatmeen. And those who is a distributor, he can receive or unpack the items on Tatmeen. And those who is into a pharmacy, right, they will do the dispensation. So depending upon your role, you have to perform the required process or operation on Tatmeen. So since you are a medical center, obviously you will be getting some medicines or you will be sending some medicines here and there. So you will have to, my suggestion for you is check the Tatmeen.ae website where you can see the documentation about various process of Tatmeen. That will help you out in what you are supposed to do. Since you are a medical center, obviously you will get some products from outside, right?
Yes, some injections that we are administrating in
Yes.
OPD for the patients.
Mm.
So this one
Yeah.
we have to update in Tatmin portal, right? And what we
Yes.
received
Yes.
and what we provided
Mm.
to the patients should be updated
Correct.
in the Tatmin portal, right?
Correct. Correct. So you will be receiving these products from some XYZ company or XYZ
Yes.
center. So that XYZ center will have to ship these products from their location to your location. And once
Okay.
they ship it, you are the one who should receive at your location. So
Okay.
mainly you will be performing receiving operation on that main.
1 second, sir. Okay, and is there any option like I can? We have a software team with us, so we can upload this transaction files to the Tatmin using a API integration or something like that.
Yes, you can do it. We do have the that mean APIs available, the Postman collection. When you are supposed to integrate your system with the mean, then the technical B2B user is the right user who can perform the integration activities on that mean. Okay, so as you said, you are completed registration and then able to access the Tatmeen. So obviously you will be having a Spock email ID and then the GLN. So the Spock email ID can create a new B2B user. Once the B2B user is created, B2B user can complete the registration on Tatmeen, which means that he will have his username and password. Once the username and password are available, the B2B user can log in to the Tatmeen API Hub, either it's a staging or portal. Once he logins to the API Hub, he will have to complete the registration on API Hub also. Once the API Hub registration is completed, Tatmeen team will receive the request and then the Tatmeen team will approve the request for accessing API Hub for B2B user only. Once you receive the approval from the Tatmeen team, the B2B user can proceed to subscribe APIs, consume APIs, and generate API key. And the API key is sufficient enough to integrate your system to the Tatmeen system. So this is how the process is about for integration your system with the Tatmeen system. Okay.
Sir, one more question. Is there any point of contact to connect with the API hub registration? Or I
There
can do it from
is
the my
there
after
is
login
yeah, there is
the
no
Tatmeen
point of
portal.
contact. There is no point. See, point of contact, instead of point of contact, if you have any question or a clarification or any issue, you can drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ga.
Yeah, now I am already logged into the Tatmeen portal with the BTB user, and
Hmm.
here in this site where I can find the API hub connectivity or the access to the API hub. Is there any
Okay,
option in
you,
the website itself or no?
no, what is your question? You are logging where? Are you logging into API Hub or where did you log in now?
I have logged into the Tatmeen live portal, which I have a username and password created already.
Okay.
So there I can see the product transfer, receiving, shipping,
Hmm.
return,
Hmm.
these kind of activities are there.
Hmm.
So if I am entering the information manually by receiving, I can enter the reference document number from the vendor and I can continue that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this, if vendor is providing a CSV file or XML file, how it will be possible to upload without entering manually? This is my question.
So is your question is you wanted to do through API process, how you want to do the API, correct?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay. See, the Tatmeen portal, using Tatmeen portal, you cannot perform integration. That is what I told you earlier as well.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
So Tatmeen portal is different and the API hub is different.
okay, got it.
Okay. Only B2B user, technical B2B user can access API hub.
Okay, that is from the technical team of that mean side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it.
All right.
Okay, so I have to connect this B2B user team.
You will have, yeah, I don't know whether if you are a Spock or someone else. So Spock can create a B2B user, please.
Spock means I didn't get you. Can you please?
Single point of contact. Single point
Yes,
of
yes,
contact.
I am the one who created this account, and I am the
Hmm.
one who contacting the all the transactions related to reality and this that mean whatever it is. Yeah.
Can you tell me your GLN from production?
1 second.
Okay.
The number
Yeah.
62940183
Okay.
84342,
Mm.
and there's a message
Okay.
from the email, the Tatmeen support team. This has been successfully submitted to the Tatmeen system.
Okay, medcityrak at
Yes, yes,
hotmail.com.
yes, exactly.
Okay, so as of now, I can see only a Spock user created for this GLN, and medcityrak at hotmail.com can create a B2B user.
Okay,
So this user will have to create a B2B user. That's what
okay,
I'm trying to tell you. After successfully creating a B2B user,
okay,
okay, that B2B user will have to register on Tatmeen portal. That is step number one. And step
okay,
number two is that B2B user will have to register on API Hub. That is a different link again.
okay, okay,
Okay. So
okay,
once that B2B user completes registration on API Hub, we will get a Tatmeen team will get a notification on the approval to access API Hub.
okay,
Once we approve it, B2B user can access API Hub only.
okay, okay,
So post receiving the approval from our side, B2B user can subscribe APIs, consume APIs, and then he can generate the API key.
okay, okay, okay.
All
There
right.
will be one more question. There will be any testing portal will be there to try the transactions
See,
for the
there is
testing of
an
the
another.
software
Yeah. So there is another portal. Staging portal is available.
staging.
STG
Yes, yeah.
portal.
Okay,
So you can perform any of the validation, testing, everything on the staging portal.
okay, okay, great. Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good day. Bye.
Okay, I don't see any more hands raised by the participants. I will keep this call open for another 5 more minutes. If there are any questions, please raise your hands, please. Okay, since there are no more hands raised by the participants, I'm concluding this call for this week. So we will meet again next week at the same time. So meanwhile, we will share this meeting recording in next 24 hours from now. Thank you so much.